Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP35 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and now all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on delete browsing data. And here we've got, I would say, basic options to remove browsing history. You can change the time range and simply tap on delete data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, tap on more options. And here we've got more options, obviously, just like saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. So just mark the options you want to remove. The same situation with the time range, you can change it to, for example, all time if you prefer, and then tap on delete data. And basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.